In today's video, we'll be taking an in-depth look at Oberlo, a tool that has become a go-to for dropshipping businesses, especially those who are using Shopify as their e-commerce platform. Oberlo allows you to easily find and import products directly into your online store, making it incredibly convenient for entrepreneurs who don't want to handle inventory or fulfillment. When you first sign up with Oberlo, you'll need to link it to your Shopify account. This process is straightforward and only takes a few steps. Once connected, you can start browsing products from a wide range of suppliers. The platform offers a vast selection of items, from fashion to electronics, and everything in between. Oberlo integrates seamlessly with Shopify, so once you import products to your store, they automatically sync with your Shopify inventory. One of Oberlo's key features is its ability to automate order fulfillment. When a customer places an order on your site, you can fulfill it with just a click. Oberlo sends the order details to the supplier, who then ships the product directly to your customer. This eliminates the need for you to manage shipping or handle any physical products. Another major advantage of Oberlo is its built-in product research tools. The platform provides data on product performance, including pricing, order volume, and supplier reliability, helping you make informed decisions on which products to sell. This feature is invaluable for newcomers to the dropshipping world, as it takes the guesswork out of product selection. Oberlo also offers customization options. You can edit product descriptions, set pricing rules, and even adjust inventory settings, giving you more control over the products you sell. The platform also tracks your sales, so you can monitor your business growth from a single dashboard. For anyone just starting with dropshipping, Oberlo offers a free plan, which is great for testing the waters. As your business grows, there are paid plans with additional features, such as advanced product research, bulk orders, and priority support. The pricing is reasonable, especially considering the value you get in return. However, it's important to mention that Oberlo is closing its operations in 2023, as Shopify is phasing out the platform. While this might be disappointing to existing users, Shopify is introducing alternatives that offer similar features. As of now, you can still use Oberlo, but it's a good idea to start exploring other dropshipping tools to plan for the future. Overall, Oberlo has been an incredibly useful tool for dropshippers, offering a range of features that streamline the process of finding products, fulfilling orders, and managing your business. If you're looking to get into dropshipping, it's definitely worth considering, but be mindful of the transition happening in the near future. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more reviews and tips on dropshipping and e-commerce tools.